Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com, and in this video my software is showing me an opportunity for taking a sell, so I have to go to the 5 minutes of taking my sell. This is the account that we started with $250. We've made about $3,500. Let me just set my take profit very quickly. I should be making about $300 from this trade. Probably I'll add another trade into this, so that is about $400 in total. I started this account with $250 so far, and we've made almost $3,500 so far in this account in less than 2 months. Remember, if you want to copy my trade, sign up with New Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 in your account. Send me a screenshot on WhatsApp or Telegram, and I'll add you to the free private Telegram group where you can copy my signals. If not, if you want to buy the course and get the software also so you learn how I do what I do, go to hedgingmastermind.com, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in this trade. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, and we are back. This is the 15th of June. The 13th of June has hit our take profit. So we made a total profit of about $500 in that short scalp trade. We hit take profit in a couple hours. I haven't traded since then. But if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. You get the software free. The software is also available on TradingView. Tells you when to buy, sell, tells you the whole market trend. And yeah, I made also a withdrawal of my initial deposit. We've made up almost about $4,000 in total. I'll keep on growing this account. Probably by the end of this month, we should get it to 10,000. Remember, if you want to copy my trade, sign up with the broker that I use, New Markets. Make sure you have at least $300 to $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades, and send me proof, and you'll be added to the signal group. If you want to buy the course and take live trades with me to learn how to do what I do, go to hedgingmastermind.com. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back with another trade soon.